When the year 1998, when I was in business, when the economic crisis came in, and I lost everything. So when I lost everything, I started to move on, to go on in my life to do something else. So things like my mind stayed, and I was thinking, what are the business that everybody needs and everybody use? Of course, first thing, one of it is mobile phone, one of it is hospital, no matter recession or non-recession, hospital, and another one is a coffin seller. Then when as time goes by, I do research, I sit down with people, I ask, I talk. One day, one dream came to me. I want to lift the poor out of the dust and the needy out of the ash heap. So what is all this about? Then the dream showed me the people, and the dream even showed me the telco. Then after that, I start to sit down. I'm not a highly gadget people. I'm on from 5. I start to do all, I don't know how to use computer. I use pen and paper, sit down and start to do all the graph drawing and calculation. Then of course I start to approach telco. And I want to thank Tiltalk. And the first person I approached telco is Uma, in Tiltalk Uma. He gave me an opportunity, and I want to thank even the CFO and CEO, Jason Low and Jalot, where they want to give me an opportunity to start this business. When I start this thing, I share it with a few of my friends, and I thank God that one of my friends who know our chairman, Dato, and he's the one who actually financed the whole project because I'm a poor man. So just by words he believed, he actually financed the whole project. And all the directors surrounding us today and all the staff, they actually work hand in hand together. We work hand together and to make this goal to achieve, and this dream a successful dream for everyone.